Welcome on guys, this is JJ Gold and I am back in another video. Today I am reacting to Rygin King 32N. So basically, if you guys don't know who Rygin King is, he's another dancehall reggae rapper. Oh no, oh, yeah, but he's one of my favorites too. If you guys don't know who he is, yeah, he's a if you Google him, yeah, you see what he looks like, yeah. But to be honest, he is one of the fire Jamaican rappers ever, you know. But Virgin King Massacre is my favorite. I'm gonna react to him next. But yeah, right now I'm reacting to Virgin King 37N. If you guys want to watch the original video, it is link in the description below. Yeah, it's link in the description below. Yeah, so let's get started. Here you go. You see how this video is gonna be because I can see it. It's really gonna be good. Ooh, got a really good beat.
Said she not the first, she said she swear to God. The pill just a process and she need my body. Yeah, and I feel the same way, so her neck me grab. She said for box and her face, cause she not innocent.
Damn, but it's a good one. It's a really good song.
I cup her pussy for me, girl, and feel the land. I keep her so high, just like the clouds there. She said me full of flow, just like the cable dam. Filipina come in, and my money me spend. My heart man, I beat them like a leather bed. My fingers are freeze, call me the weatherman. I do it with these, and now I'm back again. I style them, I lead, frighten the fuck of them. I know I can't believe I told y'all in my room for a reason.
This music video just been released, you know. There was there was the same music, but it wasn't a music video. It wasn't a music video. It was it was an audio thing. So yesterday, or the other one, this music actually came out 8 months ago. Yeah. So yesterday, yeah, the music video has been released. It's actually not easy to make a music video. I have to be honest. It's not easy to make a music video. It just I don't know. I've never ever been to a music video, and I just don't know how it actually works. You know?
Just look on my phone and I copy just a link up later. And me I pray which one figure link right after me beard up. Don't know we have a street favor. I just get a message and it say, she love when me I am me a fuck her. What's in me in my files, me say me swear to God. The me just a work and she need my body, she need my body. Hey, and me feel the same way, so her neck my girl. Baby, she said to slap her in her face cause she not innocent. Fuck her with a different scar with different. Cock up the pussy for me girl and feel the length. I keep us high just like the clouds them. She said me full of flow just like the cable them. Jewelry I come in and my money me spend. Hard man I beat them like a leather bed. My neck does not freeze, call me the weatherman.
Wow, I have to be honest, that was actually a good song. I'll rate this song 10 out of 10 because I'll pass it before the next one, please. Alright, yeah, I like this song because the beat actually goes with it, and the music video actually, the music video was actually kind of sick as well. So to me, I would recommend this song. I actually like this song. Yeah, actually, I've always been into those type of reggae dancehall songs. I just never really thought about it much, but yeah, this is actually a good song. And yeah, my next video, yeah, I'm gonna react to Massacre. And if you don't know who he is, he's another one. If you see what he's like, his next video. So yeah, guys, make sure to like and please subscribe and hit the notification button. And yeah, and peace out. I'll see you guys in the next video. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Yeah, peace.